Hey my doll baby, so I want you to get into what I am using. I am using a crochet cap to do this install. So after I sew it in a little bit, I take the elastic band from the crochet cap and sew it to the closure. Instead of using an elastic band, this just helps create a better hold. So I'm going to continue to sew. I'm going to sew the closure down. Sew. All right. Then I'm going to sew the back. I always sew the two sides first and then sew the back last. Just a little tip for you. And then I'm going to make the client hold the lace, and I'm going to sew up and underneath the lace. Like I'm going through the lace, like you're not going to see the thread at all if you part it. So up and under. So the same hole I go through is the same hole that I go back through. It's a method to every madness. Alright, so it's secure, it's not going to slip back. And I'm cutting the lace off with the eyebrow razor. Yes. I love using this eyebrow razor. And then we're going to use that tint spray. The Taylor Crown Bow Hole Edition tint spray. Then we're going to use some Got To Be Glued spray. And we're going to tie that baby down with that Flamboyant Touches head wrap. I actually forgot what it was. And we're done. We're going to take it off. I'm going to comb it out. We're going to put the hot comb on that and flatten it out some more. Okay. Make sure it's sleek. And yes, that closure look like it's coming right out of her scalp. Yeah. No baby hairs. No baby hairs. Slayed.